Welcome back to the IT Boss YouTube channel, and I hope you are doing very well. Um, I hope you all have checked the last video that I dropped on the features that you can find in Microsoft PowerPoint when you're working with Microsoft PowerPoint. So that was the last video on PowerPoint. So today we are moving on to Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to talk about everything that has to do with Microsoft Excel, what you can do with it, and any features which are found in it. But for this one, it's going to be a lecture. So as you can see, I've opened the Microsoft Excel application on my screen right now, as you can see. So we are going to have a little lecture about it, and then also the features that you can find in it. That's going to be lectured to you guys in this video. So someone may ask, what is Microsoft Excel? So Microsoft Excel is one of the Microsoft Office applications which helps you in which helps you to keep records of items or goods or a certain stocks in place safely, so that you can give an account to that items. Hope you understand me. So let's say if you own a shop, or if you own any company where you sell products that you want to keep records of them, let's say talking about the prices, the amount of items or product that you have then installed, where you want to keep records of them, Microsoft Excel is the best application meant for recording of things, and then all those stuff of document, or and then all those important things that you want to record and then save them for future uses. So that's the main function of Microsoft Excel. So as you can see on the application, that I've been opening, that is Microsoft Excel. That's Microsoft Excel. And then in Microsoft Excel we have rows and columns. So as you can see, these tiny little boxes, that is where you're going to type in all your things in. Whether if you want to type the name first and then also continue with the amount of the product, or the amount of product, or the number of product that you have installed, there you type in there. I hope you understand me. So this is the function of Microsoft Excel, basically for keeping records of items, products, goods, anything that has to do with recording. You can use Microsoft Excel for that. I hope you understand me. Yeah. So basically that's let me say the function. So let's move on to the features. So the reason why I decided not to show you guys the features today is because some of the features in there are the same as what I've shown you guys in the lesson when we are going through Microsoft Word and then Microsoft PowerPoint. Most of they all have the similar functions in their menus. They all have the same function. Talking of the insert, talking of the font size, color, all those stuffs. All of the three applications which are found in Microsoft Office have the same functions. I hope you understand me. But just a little bit of we only know a little bit of things. There's some few things that are different from each other because of um, the different functions that they all perform. I hope you understand me. But most of the times they have the similar, you know, functions. I hope you understand me. They have the similar functions, but just some few functions. Sorry, I'm talking of features, right? Right. So they have the similar features, but just that they are small features in each of the applications that we have discussed earlier, which are per the function that each of them perform. I hope you understand me. Yes. So Microsoft Excel also have the same the similar features like Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. I hope you understand me. But bear in mind that the function is different from the the function is different from each other, but same features. I hope you understand me. So that is that for the features, and then also with the definition and also the functions of Microsoft Excel. So as I was saying, they all have similar features, and then also different kind of features per what each of or per the functions of what each of them perform. I hope you understand me. So this is what we're going to end the video, and then also the class for Microsoft Office. Thank you very much for supporting this channel throughout the these lessons. Thank you very much, and then subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and also share these videos fast. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.